Roy Keane is not convinced by Manchester United goalkeeper David de Gea. Roy Keane was critical of Manchester United goalkeeper David de Gea before the Red Devils' FA Cup third-round clash with Everton, and the ex-Old Trafford captain was proven right in the first half when Connor Cody punished an embarrassing blunder from the Spaniard. The hosts raced into an early lead when £86 million summer signing Antony was on hand to tap home at the back post following great work from Marcus Rashford. But United's 1-0 lead was short-lived as Everton levelled things up courtesy of the England international centre-back, who was the fox in the box for Frank Lampard's under-fire Toffees. The ball was cut back by striker Neal Maupay, and De Gea struggled to keep it out of the danger zone as it squeezed through his legs and across the face of the empty goal. Cody was on hand to gratefully tap home, and Everton simply couldn't believe their luck following the horror error from De Gea after enduring a nightmare start at Old Trafford. Prior to kick-off, ruthless pundit Keane was quizzed on United's upturn in form, but he refused to jump on the bandwagon with his old side, instead criticising some of the flaws he still feels are present within Erik ten Hag's side. De Gea was identified as a weak link by Keane, who told Mark Pugac, "No, not really, I'll be honest with you. Has he been impressed with United? They're on a good run and they've beaten teams recently, but they've not really played anybody. Of course they've got City coming up in a few weeks and Arsenal of course, but I'm still not convinced. I still think the problems are there with the centre-backs, I'm still not convinced with the goalkeeper. They're better than obviously last year, which wouldn't have been hard." De Gea's long-term future at United remains in doubt, with his current deal due to expire at the end of the season. United are believed to be considering the prospect of replacing their number one in the summer following another mixed campaign. Crystal Palace goalkeeper Jack Butland has been signed on loan to replace Martin Dubravka, who has returned to Newcastle following an unsuccessful loan. Ten Hag has since taken the time to explain the decision, stating he cannot afford to run the risk of having only two senior goalkeepers.